Camperdown High is represented by Orlando Stevens, Mark Littlejohn, Shanghai Medley, and Travon Brown. St. Mary High is represented by Trisha Fagan, Ricardo Ray Douglas, Siobhan Eve Harris, and Ryan Ewan. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, and I believe St. Mary won, and they decided to go first. So we begin with St. Mary. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. St. Mary Literature, who wrote the novel Burmese Days?
George Orwell.
George Orwell.
Correct. Camperdown Literature, who wrote the book The Doors of Perception?
Louisa May Alcott. Louisa May Alcott.
Incorrect. Aldous Huxley. International Affairs for St. Mary. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Moldova.
Moldova.
Correct. International Affairs for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage for St. Mary. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Shoes alone, no if stacking.
Fit.
Abul.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage Camperdown. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Silva da la beta.
Dan Brands.
Dan Brands.
Incorrect. Dan family. French for St. Mary. What does the English translation of the verb étudier mean?
To study. Yeah.
To study.
Correct. French for Camperdown. What does the English translation of the verb montrer mean?
Today.
Incorrect. To show. Music. This is for St. Mary. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of the song.
And I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me?
Birthday Sledge.
Title. Lovely Night.
Lovely Night.
Incorrect. Another Day in Paradise. Music for Camperdown. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
My heart will go on. My heart will go on.
Correct. And St. Mary, Principles of Business. Which 10-letter word starting with E is the name for a business organization that is involved in commercial, industrial, or professional activities?
Enterprise.
Correct. And Camperdown, Principles of Business. Which 10-letter word starting with D is the name for the process of transferring responsibility for tasks and activities from one person to another?
Delegation.
Correct. St. Mary, Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Antonia Banderas.
Antonio Banderas.
Incorrect. Dean Dujardin. And Theatre and Cinema for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
Correct. Bible knowledge for St. Mary. Which book of the Bible contains the story of the conversion of Saul, who later became the Apostle Paul?
Acts.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Camperdown. Which book of the Bible contains the love chapter that describes the characteristics of love?
1 Corinthians.
First Corinthians.
Correct. Sports for St. Mary. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
All right. Femke Ball. Femke Ball.
Incorrect. Maria Sharapova. And sports for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Either Andy Roddick or Gregory, which I got.
Andy Roddick.
Andy Roddick.
Incorrect. Andy Murray. Biology for St. Mary. What is the innermost layer of the human eye that is light sensitive called?
Retina.
Correct.
Good.
Biology for Camperdown. What specific part of the human brain controls the breathing rate?
Medula oblongata.
Medula oblongata.
Correct. English language for that's Subel. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores at this time are Camperdown High on 6, St. Mary High on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.